Look at this. All the dust we have been breathing for many, many days. Now you've got to take it out and clean the hell out of this. Cool. Thank you very much. Now you've got to put it inside the bucket. Even that one. Bring it out. Slowly. Put it in there. So that we can clean it in bath. And look at all the dust. There's a lot of dust. My gosh. Been breathing this dust all day long. Almost every day. How ridiculous.